Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking beef stew. I'm using gravy beef. This is suitable for a beef stew. I'm going to cut the beef into small chunks like cubes. You can use any cut of the beef that you like, but for this recipe I'm using a gravy beef. This is what we call it in Australia. After cutting the beef, I'm going to put the beef in a large bowl. Season with white pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. I'm going to mix through the spices. There's no need to marinate for this recipe. So I'm going to cook the meat straight away after this. In a large saucepan, I'm using a pot. I'm adding oil. You can use any oil that you like. I'm using vegetable oil for this recipe. And add the beef and brown the beef for about 5 to 8 minutes. Make sure the beef is cooked on both sides. Just mixing through. I'm going to set the beef aside. And add 1 large onion. Add 2 diced carrots. And just cook for a few minutes. And then add garlic. This is about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. I'm I'm going to saute this until it's starting to be fragrant and until the onions are a little bit soft. Adding all-purpose seasoning, and I'm also adding curry powder, just a little bit of curry powder, just for flavor. And I'm going to mix through. I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste, and cook through. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of all-purpose flour, just to thicken the sauce when the sauce is cooking. Cook the flour until it's all mixed through with the tomato paste and the seasoning. I'm adding a cup of beef stock. I'm mixing through. And then bring back the beef. Add another half cup of beef stock, and then put on the lid and simmer for about 2 hours. I'm simmering on low heat. Turn the stove to about 3 or 4 and simmer. I'm adding, this is how it looks after 2 hours. I'm adding basil leaves, and this looks delicious. Thank you for watching.